Hi, my name is Morten, and in this video I will show you how to get started with the masterclass on WooCommerce for Umbraco. So in this video we will set up and get everything ready to start working. All you need is a clean SQL Server database and a clean Visual Studio solution. I have that open right here. So to get started and install everything that you need, all you have to do is type a single NuGet command, which is install package woocommerce.masterclass.umbraco. Hit enter, and then this NuGet package will automatically install Umbraco and WooCommerce. Plus, it will give you all the assets that we need for the masterclass. So all we have to do now is sit tight and wait for the NuGet package to finish installing, and then we can set up Umbraco. There's a few important steps when installing Umbraco that we need to be aware of, which is basically that we have to configure Umbraco to use a SQL server. Otherwise, WooCommerce will not be able to install properly. So let's wait for the NuGet package to start downloading and finishing. Okay, everything is installed now, so we just have to build and then start the website and go through the online installation. So now we just have to go through the setup of Umbraco on the website. And this is now where it becomes important. Instead of just using SQL Compact Edition, I will have to configure SQL Server. And I don't want a starter kit. And now Umbraco will install, and WooCommerce will actually also install in the background. So once the website reloads, WooCommerce and Umbraco will be installed all together. So the installation is now complete, and now the website will restart, and then the back office should load with Umbraco and WooCommerce installed. So here we have the lovely back office of Umbraco, and as you can see up here in the top right corner, we also have WooCommerce. So now everything is ready to go, and we can start building a beautiful website.